Have you ever waited impatiently for a Zelle payment to arrive? It feels like an eternity, doesn't it? Why does it take so long? Let's dive into the world of Zelle and unravel the mystery. The basics of Zelle. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a convenient way to split bills, pay back friends, or even get a quick cash advance. But why does it sometimes feel like the money is stuck in a digital limbo? Factors affecting Zelle transfer speeds. Bank processing times. Your bank plays a crucial role in Zelle transactions. They handle the behind-the-scenes work of transferring funds between accounts. Some banks are faster than others, and their processing times can vary depending on factors like the time of day, day of the week, and the amount being transferred. Zelle network congestion. During peak usage times, the Zelle network can experience congestion, which can slow down transactions. This is similar to traffic jams on a highway. Incorrect recipient information. If you enter the recipient's information incorrectly, it can delay the transaction. Double-checking the recipient's details is essential. Bank holidays and weekends. Banks often have reduced hours or are closed on weekends and holidays. This can affect the processing time of Zelle transactions. Fraud prevention measures. Zelle has security measures in place to prevent fraud. If the system detects suspicious activity, it may temporarily hold a transaction for review. Tips for faster Zelle transfers. Double-check recipient information. Ensure that you have the correct recipient's name, email address, or phone number. Use the Zelle app or website. While you can send Zelle payments through your bank's app or website, using the official Zelle app or website directly can sometimes lead to faster processing times. Avoid peak usage times. If possible, try to send Zelle payments outside of peak hours, such as early mornings or late evenings. Contact your bank if you have concerns. If you're experiencing significant delays or have concerns about a Zelle transaction, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer service. While Zelle is generally a fast and convenient payment method, there are factors that can affect the speed of transactions. By understanding these factors and taking steps to minimize delays, you can ensure a smoother experience when sending and receiving money using Zelle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.